Shineworldgroup is proud to have provided the turnkey cable manufacturing machinery and technical expertise behind Coleman Wire and Cable's newly commissioned Phase 2 fiber optics factory, now the largest fiber optics cable facility in Africa. This milestone reinforces our commitment to advancing modern cable production in Nigeria. Congratulations to Shineworld.
Shineworldgroup from China. Congratulations, COLEMAN.
Shineworldgroup work together, make this project successful.
Big congratulations on Shineworld for this milestone.
On behalf of Shineworldgroup Nigeria, I would like to wish COLEMAN a very big happy congratulations for the successful commissioning of their fiber.
On behalf of Shineworldgroup, I congratulate COLEMAN.
On behalf of Shineworldgroup, I congratulate COLEMAN on this great milestone.
A big congratulations to Shineworld. We work together to supply the machinery and also to install the machinery and to be able to achieve this great feat together with COLEMAN.
For 50 years for COLEMAN Technology Industry Company Limited.
Contact us today to know more about the how-to set up a cable industry.